Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm gonna show you how to check the iPhone storage and manage it in your iPhone 14 Pro Max. So to this operation, go to settings, then go to the general and scroll down. There is an iPhone storage, click on it, and that's as you see there is the capacity of memory of your phone, and you can see the size of application which been installed of your phone, and under down here we have how many capacity manage iOS and system data of your phone. Yep, you can list it by the size, name of usage time. Yep, you can delete app. Anyway, you can manage from here of any of your applications. So that's it for now. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.